Hello everyone. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Clean India mission launched on October 2nd, 2014 and launched by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to create a clean, hygienic and healthy environment across India by ensuring to achieve a clean India by improving sanitation, hygiene and waste management and promoting behavioral change through education and awareness. And here is a skit played by our United Eagles on the awareness of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.